If you don't like complicated guides but still want to win in Merge Tactics, then stick around. This quick guide's for you. First things first, make sure you've hit Arena 3. That unlocks Merge Tactics in the game mode switcher right inside Clash Royale. Just tap to enter and boom, you're in! Merge Tactics is a 4-player turn-based battle that flips classic Clash Royale upside down. Each round starts with the deploy phase. You get 4 golden elixir to buy troops from a shared shop. Buy, sell, or drag troops onto the arena, or stash extras on your bench for later. Got doubles? They'll merge into a stronger higher star troop, plus you'll get an elixir bonus. Next is the battle phase. Your troops auto-fight while your ruler holds the line. Lose a round, your ruler takes damage. Last ruler standing wins. Pro tips: match troop traits for big bonuses, use denial tactics to block your rivals, and manage your elixir carefully. Check each ruler's abilities and keep an eye out for random modifiers. They can totally change the game. Quick recap: reach Arena 3, enter Merge Tactics, build and merge smart, and outplay your opponents. Now go show everyone your Merge Tactics moves.